Hi there, it's Kathy from Social Media with Catherine Leah, and today I'm going to share with you one of my favourite design apps, Canva. Okay, so we're just going to quickly sign into Canva. If you haven't already signed up for Canva, it's really easy to do. You just connect with your Facebook account and you can sign up here. So I'm going to sign in because I'm already signed up. Excuse me. Okay, it just takes a few seconds. Okay, so this is my Canva account. I have the free account because I can do lots and lots of stuff with it without the paid version. I don't think it's that expensive. I think it's something like £9 or £10 a month for the pro version. But if you're just new to Canva and you just need to get to grips with it, the basic is absolutely fine. Okay, so what we're going to do today, I'm going to quickly talk you through how you can produce a meme. Now, a meme is these the quotes that you see with lovely pictures that are flying around social media. So it tends to be a motivational quote with a pretty picture that people just put onto their pages. And the reason that we have these memes is because people resonate with them. Especially if you pick the right quote to go with your business. And hopefully the whole point of a meme is that your clients, your customers, your followers will share the meme on with their friends and their family, and then you get the engagement and you get the reach. So what I'm going to show you now is how you can actually produce that. So we're going to use Canva, and this is a really easy design app. So we're going to use the Instagram post. I just find this just has a broader spectrum. You can do one meme, and you can sit it on Instagram, and you can sit it on Facebook. So it's two for the price of one. So let's click on there. Okay, so you have a blank canvas, and on the left hand side you have Canva layouts, and there's loads of layouts that you could use. Excuse me, if you don't feel confident enough of designing your own meme straight away. So have a look through there. See, this is one of them that you could do. You could use a different picture in the background. You could change, let's see, you could change that for your colours. That's my colour. And there you go. Today I choose to be happy. That could be one of your motivational quotes. And you could, and there you go. There's your meme from a Canva layout. But if there's something that you actually can't find on Canva, if it's something that you're not happy about and you want to make it more on brand with your business, then I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so let's just get rid of that. Let's get a white background and let's start from scratch. So there you go, there's your blank canvas. So my brand, let's use my brand for example for Social Media with Catherine Leah. It's bright, it's loud, it's bold. I like bright blues and bright pinks and yellows and purple colours. So those are the images I want to use. So let me take you to a free image site, and this is where I source most of my images. Now, when you're sourcing images, make sure that you're not just going onto Google and just finding any image and then screenshotting it. One, the quality is pants. And secondly, you may not have the right to actually post those over the internet and on your website or wherever. There are licensing laws. So if you just screenshot an image from Google, you could get into trouble at some point, and we don't want you to do that. So the main image free image site I go to is Pixabay. pixabay.com. Okay, so as you can see, Pixabay, stunning free images. So I want a bright blue background. I want a photo with a bright blue background. And there you go. It gives you lots and lots of images. It's absolutely beautiful. And you just look and you just scroll through. So just for now, we're going to use, I think we'll use this one because, another reason I like this image is because you've got this massive space here to put some text and to put your logo, and it's not going to interfere with the picture. So try and find things where you've got space to actually put the quotes on. So we're going to download that, and this takes seconds. There we go. It's asking me to do this. Just bear with me. 2 seconds. Oh, new images. It wants me to check cars. There we go. Verify. And then download. Okay. Now it does say if you want to support Pixabay, buy us a cup of coffee, and we do that quite a lot over at Social Media HQ here. We're not going to do it today because we want to just get on with it. So let's go back to our Instagram post on Canva. We click on upload. Okay, so we're going to upload our image now that we've just downloaded from Pixabay. Ooh, it has a habit. There we go, there it is. It's a cheeky thing, so we just wait for it to upload. There we go. There we go. And then it's literally a case of drag and drop. And you just resize it how you want. There you go, perfect. Okay, so we've got the picture, and now we need the quote. So let me take you to a fantastic quote site called brainyquote.com. And as you can see, when you click onto the site, you are given all the popular topics. If you want to go by an author of a quote, it's there. Let's go for a motivational one. I fancy a motivational meme. And so you click on there and it gives you a hell of a lot of motivational memes. And just find one that you like. Let's have a look. There we go, let's use this. Okay, so we can click on it. And what I do is I just copy and paste the quote. Just saves my fingers. Okay, so go back to your meme post in Canva and press the text button. And over here you have heading, subheading, and a little bit of body text. Go for heading and just drag and drop onto the picture. Okay, and then you just simply delete that. Oops. Just delete that and then copy and then paste your quote on there. Okay, so that doesn't look very pretty, does it, at the moment? And it's got text on there that we don't need. So let's get rid of what we don't need. And then let's see what we've got. So as you can see, it doesn't look very pretty. It's got very chunky font and it's black and it's doing absolutely nothing for that picture whatsoever. So hopefully you will know what your font style is, and you'll also know what your colours are. And if you don't, you need to find out, and I'll do another video on how you can do that. But for now, I'll just assume that you know your fonts and you know your colours. So my font is, where is it gone? Leek Spartan. So it just uploads. Okay, still not looking amazing, is it? Because it's black and it's not big. So here you go, you can try the different sizes. Ooh, that's far too big. There we go, we could try that. And you can play around with the boxing size as well, where you could do that. And it narrows the space that it goes in. Let's try 64. And of course you can just mess around with the size. You can play with this however you want. Okay, so I'll just leave it at that for now because you get the point. Okay, so I'm going to do it in white because that stands out more. Okay, and then all I need to do is put my my logo on. So again, I'm going to put a subheading. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. And I'm going to get my I'm going to put my my logo in there. Then I just need a little subheading there. Hopefully you've got your logo all set up. Mine's just an easy logo to do, so but you can upload your logo. I need to just change that. There you go, and then you can just play around with it. And if that does that, you just move the box like so, and there you go. That is, oops. Oh, one more thing. You need to credit the quote with whoever said it. So let's just go back, and it's Gordon B. Hinckley. Okay, so again, copy and paste it, and I would just do a little bit of body there. Just add it there. Get rid of the text that's there. Oops. Do a different colour. And there you go. That is it in a nutshell. That is how you pull together one of those beautiful memes. And then all you do is you download it, you press the download button, download it, and that goes straight to your computer. And it's as simple as that. So let me show you another couple of features on Canva whilst I have you here. So let's just copy and paste that. So there you go, you can copy the same meme if you so wish. Excuse me. Now over here you have elements. Okay, so you get free photos, which are really, really lovely. So if you didn't want to go onto Pixabay, and if you could find something there that you really like, let's see if I could find something on feet, for example, because there you go, you could use feet, you could use these, or if you were using, oops, a daisy, craft, so you have buttons and lots of lovely pictures on there already. So try there first. If you can't find the image that you want, go onto Pixabay. So you've got the free images there. Grids. Oops. It's really how you want your meme to look. We'll do another video to deal with grids later, but this is what I wanted to show you. You can make a really, really lovely meme just by adding a shape. So, okay, so as you saw, I just dragged and dropped. Okay. And can you see these lines here? That means that's centred. If I take that off, it's not centred. I move it over. As soon as those lines cross, it is centred. So let's just open that up a bit more. So that doesn't really look very attractive at the moment, does it? It's a big block of green. So if we go to this button here that says transparency, it looks like the chessboard, just press that, and this is, and you can play around with it like so. Okay, and you can also change the colour of it as well, so let's go for that. Or we could, there you go, we could do that. Okay, so we now want to put the quote, this quote, in here. So if we try and do that, okay, it's a little bit. Okay, so once it's gone into that square, it's gone behind the square. So we need to press arrange and back, and with that one we need to press arrange and copy forward. If that happens, don't worry, just move things about. Oops. Move things about, it's so easy. And we can put that one back. And we can put that there. And there you go. You can do something lovely like that. I could change the colour so it's more. And there you go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just play about with it. It's lots and lots of fun, and you can create some amazing images on there. Okay, hope that's helpful. Any questions, just type in the comments below. Speak to you later. Bye.